This 2026 Dynamax Corp Europa 3.4 SSW Xplorer Pkg is a Super CRV. It is located in Savannah, Georgia, 31324 and is offered for sale by Southland RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Dynamax Corp is 36 feet 0 inches in length and features a desert interior, sleeps 5, Slideout, and 94 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Super C features bunk over cab, rear bedroom. This 2026 Dynamax Corp Europa 3.4 SSW Xplorer Pkg is built on a Freightliner M2 1106B+ chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.